Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to cook us up some cheesy rotini. And the way we're going to do it, we're going to have a pound of ground beef. We'll use a half cup of onions, a little over that, a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Now a lot of people like to use ketchup, but today we're going to use barbecue sauce. And we're going to use 4 cups of this beef broth over here. And we're going to use, I think it's 3 cups of this cheese and a half a cup of milk. So let's get started with it. Now I'm going to leave all these ingredients in the description down below, so you don't have to remember it or try to write it down, because it'll be down there for you to copy real easy. Alright, now first thing we're going to do, I'm going to come over here and turn on the power on this FOODi DELUXE, and we'll come over here and set it on saute, sear, and then we'll hit the start button. Okay, now we'll give it a second or two to warm up before I start dumping these ingredients down in it. And so we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, now it's starting to heat up, so I'm going to dump this ground beef down in there. Like I said, that's just a little over a pound, that's what I had left over. So just go ahead and use it up. Now the next thing we'll do, get over here. Let's see. I'll wait just another second or two till that starts so it starts to sizzle a little bit. Then I'll get over here and we'll show you what we're doing. Okay, that's starting to sizzle up pretty good now. Let's start breaking it up a little bit. What I'll do without this crusher masher. Try to pop around just a little bit so I can get in there better. Already smells good, and I didn't start putting anything in it yet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and dump my Worcestershire sauce in here. My onions. Pepper. Salt. And my barbecue sauce. Now start mixing all that up. Letting it sear good. And some good juices down in there now. Now let that finish browning real good, and we'll be back. Okay, now this is browned up real good, and so I'm going to turn off the power on this thing. So I don't want it to cook much anymore. As a matter of fact, we'll take it out. And you know I'm using my handy dandy fry daddy scoop. It's another one of my tools that would be hard to do without. Another thing about using a scoop like this, I'm leaving all those good juices down in the bottom of this pot. Because they're going to come in handy in a minute. Good now. Okay, now we've got all this out, we'll set it aside over here. We'll take this 4 cups of beef broth here. And put it right down in this pot. Now we're going to take this pound of pasta here, dump right down in there. And I'll show you, that's just about perfect to cover that pasta, you know, it's just right. Now, next thing we're going to do, take our pressure cooker lid and put it right on top here. Let me get a paper towel and wipe that off. It ain't gonna hurt nothing, but it don't look very good. Alright, line up my arrows clockwise until it locks. Turn the pot so you can see it. Then we're going to turn the power back on. Make sure your valve back here is turned to seal and not vent. I'll turn the pot back on. You go up here to pressure. We're going to leave it on high. Over here on the time, you're going to hit the time button. We're going to bring it all the way down to 5 minutes. You're going to hit start. Okay, and you know the routine. It's going to chase those little lights around so it builds up enough pressure there. I'm really hoping that because it's already hot, it doesn't take quite as long to build up pressure. Although I did pour all those 4 cups of cold beef broth in there. Okay, now the button just popped up on top of this pressure cooker lid here, and it took 8 minutes for it to do it, so that's not too bad. Now, as you know, these little lights still chase each other a little bit until they decide it's got enough pressure in it, then it'll start counting down. Okay, and there it went. It took about 1.5 minutes for it to start counting down there. So now we got 4 minutes and 50 seconds. We'll be ready to open that pot and do something else to it. And while we got a minute, if you can, y'all give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much to you people that watches our videos. And if you get a chance, check out our links down below. And you know, if you order anything from our links, it doesn't cost you any more than if you just go somewhere and order it. So you might as well order from our links. So we'll be back in about 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, now we're down under 10 seconds here, so in another 3 seconds we're going to give us a quick release back here. Alright, so it's done. I'm going to go ahead and hit the quick release button back here of the valve and let it go. Okay, now it's been 4 minutes since I hit that valve to do that quick release, so it should be dropping down pretty quick, hardly making any noise at all, and we'll see what's inside this pot. Okay, and there went the pin, took 4 minutes and 37 seconds. We'll turn it counterclockwise, up and away from your face. Oh, don't that look good down there? what you can see of it. Get you so you can see better. Now, that looks pretty good. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go turn over here, and we'll have to restart it. And we'll turn off the power, and we'll turn back on the power, and we'll go down here to sear saute again, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. Now we'll dump this beef in there and the onions and those ingredients. Tell y'all right now, this looks like it's going to be pretty good. Now let's see if we can get this incorporated a little bit here. Oh yeah. Goodness gracious. I don't want it to get too hot though. I want to turn it off for the time being. Okay, now I've got my 3 cups of, I use this Mexican style cheese. And we'll use a 1/2 cup of milk. Now let's get this all worked in. So I'm glad it's lunchtime because I'm going to fix and get into some of this. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look good? Makes my mouth start to water over here. So, now I'm going to get me a couple pot holders and get a hold of this pot and see if I can dump it right in that bowl here. A little bit left in there. I can't quite turn my arm up that far. It's pretty fair. I can't turn my arm up quite that far. Let me set it down here. Now, get my little, one of my favorite tools here. Y'all know how good that's going to be, don't you? Get me out a little bit of this. Doesn't that look good? I'll tell you in just a minute or two. Okay, that's about going to do it for this little video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as good as I enjoyed making it for you. Well, it sure is. This is delicious to me. I love this little tricolor rotini. And so, till next time, don't y'all forget to wash your hands, you know, and stay away from everybody. And stay home, watch our videos, you know, so. Till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day and come back and see us real soon. And thanks again for watching. Goodbye now.